watch it, right?
What the fuck?
Alright, go ahead. Yeah. I'm scaring the girls, man, you know? See you, man.
Peace.
Go. Get away from this car. Yeah.
Yeah. You do it.
Yeah, they put everything on the TV.
Holy shit! Oh my fucking god! Man, I have a seizure.
That was pretty funny.
Alright, take it easy, Justin Bieber's. Alright.
Hey, what number is it?
This is gonna be number 15.
15?
Check it out, alright, boss?
What?
See you, Justin Bieber. Never say never. You good?
Yeah.
What was that? Did I scare you? Have a great day. Recording?
Yeah.
How are you doing today? Come on, sir, let's make you see that putt. Make that putt, sir. Beautiful.
Sorry. Hi!
Record this guy. Record him. Oh, I'm gonna go back and talk to him.
What's up, man? What'd you say? It's not illegal.
It's illegal, sir?
Can you prove it?
Okay, record him. Record him. Record him. Did I scare you though, sir? Sir, did I scare you?
Don't ignore me. Yep.
How are you doing in the Jeep? I like those glasses, man. Nice purple glasses. How you doing? Horn? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's great horn. Awesome.
What's up, buddy? How you doing, Paul Blart? How you doing? How's that for a honk?
TDWP player!